What HVAC upgrades provide the best return on investment? The best returns usually come from air sealing and insulation, a properly sized high-efficiency heating and cooling system, a smart thermostat, and regular maintenance. Air sealing and insulation often provide the strongest value because they stop heated or cooled air from escaping. Start in the attic, around ducts, and near plumbing or electrical openings because small gaps can waste a surprising amount of energy. A high-efficiency heat pump can also provide strong savings by moving heat instead of creating it, especially in moderate climates. If you replace a furnace or air conditioner, ask for a load calculation so the contractor chooses the correct size for your home. An oversized system turns on and off too often, which can increase wear and make rooms feel damp or uneven. A smart thermostat may cost less than major equipment but can reduce waste by adjusting temperatures when nobody is home. Sealing and insulating ductwork in hot attics or crawl spaces is another useful upgrade because leaks there can send conditioned air into places nobody lives. One lesser-known detail is that a clean, correctly sized filter and clear airflow can help equipment perform closer to its rated efficiency, so changing the filter on schedule is a simple action with a real payoff. A common mistake is choosing equipment only by its highest efficiency rating, so compare estimated operating costs, installation quality, and available rebates together. Another mistake is buying a larger system because it sounds more powerful. Have the contractor perform a room-by-room load calculation instead. People also sometimes install a smart thermostat without checking system compatibility, so confirm that it works with your wiring, heat pump, or multi-stage equipment before purchasing. Finally, do not ignore duct leaks and poor insulation, because new equipment cannot work efficiently if the house loses conditioned air. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.